how are you all? I hope you all must have gone through the concept of thick and thin. So today we will be doing an activity and worksheet related to it. Before we start, we shall revise the concept once again. Let's start the activity. We will be segregating these objects according to thick and thin within the baskets. So let's start. First object is hairband. Thick hairband, thin hairband. So thick goes here and the thin hairband goes here. Second, candles. Thick candle, thin candle. Thick candle goes here and the thin candle goes here. Marker and a pencil. This is a thick marker, a thin pencil. Thick marker is here and the thin pencil is here. Sellotape. Thick sellotape, thin sellotape. Thick sellotape over here and the thin sellotape over here. Crayons. Thick crayon, thin crayon. Thick crayon will be placing in this and the thin crayon over here. Books. This is a thick book and this is a thin book. So the thick book goes here and the thin book goes here. These are thick objects and these are thin objects. Do practice this activity by taking different type of objects at home. Now let's get on to some worksheet.
The first worksheet is to tick the thick object and cross the thin objects. The different objects are given here. You have to tick mark the thick object as correct and cross mark the thin object as cross within the box. The first picture is of a cheese block, second pencil, third book, fourth ice cream and fifth is cake. The second worksheet is to color the thick object in each box. There are 4 different boxes given which holds a thick object and a thin object. So according to you, whichever object is thick, color it accordingly. The first is of a candle, second, slice of a bread, third, reel of thread and fourth is of a quilt. In winters, when you cover yourself, that's called quilt. So accordingly, you have to color whichever object is thick. Do ask your parents to draw these images on a separate sheet of paper so that you can color it neatly.
Do solve both the worksheets at home. I will get back to you with the solution in the next session. Take care. Thank you.